Have you ever had to slam on the brakes while riding in a car? Now imagine that car is Earth, and it's spinning at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, and someone just yanks the handbrake. Instantly, what happens next? Spoiler alert, it's not great for your weekend plans. First, let's be clear. Earth's rotation is what gives us day and night. It also keeps the atmosphere, oceans, and, well, us, moving smoothly along for the ride. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, the ground beneath your feet would come to a dead stop. But you wouldn't. You, the trees, the oceans, even the air, would all keep moving eastward at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's about twice as fast as a commercial jetliner. Basically, everything would be launched sideways. Hard, buildings flattened, mountains sandblasted. You? You'd be going on the wildest and last roller coaster ride of your life. But wait, there's more. The atmosphere would continue moving even after the ground stopped. Imagine supersonic winds ripping across the planet. Hurricanes? Child's play compared to the global megastorms that would tear apart cities, forests, and basically anything not nailed down. And even things that are nailed down. If you somehow survived the first impact, good luck breathing. The dust, debris, and chaos would turn the sky black. And oh, the oceans. They've been spinning right along with the planet, remember? If Earth stopped, the oceans wouldn't. Imagine entire oceans sloshing sideways across continents at thousands of kilometers per hour. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters tall would crash inland, drowning entire cities in moments. Coastal areas? Gone. Inland areas? Probably not much better. At this point, the world map would need some serious updating, if there's anyone left to update it, that is. And now, things get really weird. Earth's rotation causes a slight bulge at the equator because of centrifugal force. No spin equals no bulge. Without the spin, the oceans would flow back toward the poles, flooding places like Canada and Russia, and drying out places like Brazil and Kenya. The equator would rise by several kilometers in elevation. The poles would sink slightly. Basically, your favorite beach vacation? Yeah, it's under a glacier now. And here's the kicker. Without rotation, a day would last an entire year. One side of the Earth would face the sun for 6 months straight, becoming blisteringly hot. The other side would sit in freezing darkness for half a year. Goodbye, agriculture. Goodbye, ecosystems. Hello, Mad Max reality show. Some species might adapt, deep underground or underwater. Humans? Only if we become really, really good at underground bunkers. The good news? There's basically no way Earth could suddenly stop spinning. Not unless a giant planet smacked into us at just the right angle. Which would probably kill us anyway. So you can breathe easy. The Earth will keep spinning, at least for a few more billion years. In the meantime, maybe hold on to something, just in case.